Kirina.
Okay, now we start. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So today our class, this is the topics logic gate. So, oh shit. Oh, what happened there? Okay, you know that our basic logic gate are three, right?
Sir, an or an nor
And
or a nor.
no, not these are wrong.
Basic gates.
Basic gate. These
And
the
gate.
not gate,
Yes, and gate
and
and or
gate,
gate.
and
Yes.
or gate.
Yes.
These three are basic.
Basic, fundamental.
Okay, and this the external. Okay, this the extension, and this land means and plus not. Nor means this the or plus not. Okay, and exclusive or this the exclusive or different. This the like as or get, but this not or get. This the exclusive or and exclusive nor this reverse exclusive or and exclusive nor. Okay, this is the special. Okay, so at first we are discuss these three logic gate. This is the AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. Okay, so we are now we use skin, white skin. At first AND gate. Okay, AND gate. AND means and this is the U and E. Sorry, just now just suppose I called Amir and Abdi Aziz. Amir and Abdi Aziz both are work
Yes, sir.
this. Amir and Abdi Aziz just this and means both. Okay, or suppose I called Amir or Abdi Aziz. This means
Two person.
only one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Amir or Abdi Aziz. This is not both, but and means Amir and Abdi Aziz means both are work this. Okay, so and means all, and means
All.
all.
Yes.
Okay, this is the this simple example all, and or means anyone. Okay,
Yes, any of them.
any of them. So these the different and means all and or means any. So this sub and gate are this the definition. This the basic logic gate, and these two or more input and get two or more input, two or more. Okay, input, two or more input, but output only
One.
one.
Yes.
Okay, two or more input, output only one. Okay, so and this another example. This the and means this the series circuit. Okay, you know that series circuit. Suppose this the one switch, this another switch, this another switch, and this the uh, this the one battery, and this one lamp. Okay, this is the 5 volt. Okay, and suppose this is the switch A, switch B, and switch C, and this the suppose lamp. Okay, this suppose Y. So this circuit, if all switches are active, all active, then this Y is active, right?
Yes, sir.
If anyone disconnect, inactive, Y not active. This light is off, right? This is called AND logic. All are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any Bengali students? Bengali students? Nobody here. কোনো বাঙালি স্টুডেন্ট নাই?
স্যার আছি।
কে তুমি? হাসনাত?
জি স্যার।
কথা কি বুঝতে পারছো? এটা কি বললাম?
জি স্যার পারছি।
কি বললাম বলো তো? AND gate এর লজিকটা কি? This the AND gate. So AND gate logic, any not. AND gate logic all. So all input high, all this the input, 1 input, 2 input, 3 input, or more input. All input high, then output will be high.
Off or
Output will be high. All input high, then output will be high.
high.
Okay.
There's AND gate, sir.
Yes, this is the AND gate. All input high, output high. So this another point, 2 or more input, output only 1, and this is the all input high, output high. Okay, clear? So this is the point, all. Okay, and this is the circuit, and this is the symbolic design, this like D. Okay, like D. This is the AND gate symbol, and this the output, and suppose this is the 3, so 3 input, no problem, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the A, B, and C. So, and this is the Y output. Okay, so this is the output, Y is equal to logical multiplying A dot B dot C. Okay, Y is equal to ABC. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Logical multiplying is the very simple. And now we are proved a truth table. Okay, this is the table. Suppose this is the input A, and input B, and input C. This is the 3 input, and Y is output. So Y is equal to A, B, C. Okay, so this is the truth table. Clear? And this
Yes,
truth
sir.
table, this is the input, and this is the output. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this 3 input or 2 input or 4 input, so input design, at first all input are low, so all are 0, 0, 0, 0, all are 0. 0 means low, and 1 means high. Okay, 1 means short, and 0 means just switch off. Okay,
Yes, off and on.
off and on. So these 3 how many times work? This at first, suppose this 0, both are 0, then this the 1, this the 0, then another A0, B1, C1, then another A1, A1, B0, C1. Okay, So how many times are work these 3 input?
3 times, sir.
No. This logic is the 2 to the power. How many switches?
3, yes. 8 times, sir.
3. If 3,
Yes.
so 2 to
8
the power
times.
3. So 8 times.
Yes.
How many times?
8 times.
Suppose your switch 4. So how many times?
16, sir.
If your switch 2, so how many times?
4 times.
4 times. Okay. So this the power is switch. Okay. This is
Yes,
the
sir.
2 to the power switch is power. Okay. And this is the formula. Suppose this is the 8 or 16 or 4. So this is the system. Last point. This is the last line. Last line. At first, if 3, so 8. So 8 times at first 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. How many times? 8.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
0, 1.
Okay. Then second line. This is the left side second line. This is the double. This is the single 0, single 1, single 0, single 1. Now double. Double 0, double 1. Double 0,
0,
double 1. Then another double. Now 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 0, 4 1.
Sir, you mean first of all we have to start the last one or the last digit?
Yes.
For example, we have A, B, and C. So first of all, we have to count from the last C.
Digit. Last C. C. Last digit. Right side.
On and off. On and off.
Right
on and
side on off, on off, on off. Means
Yes,
one
yes.
single 0 1, single 0 1, 0 1, 0 1.
Okay,
Now
okay.
double 0 double 1, double 0 double 1. Then
Double.
4 0 4 1, 4 0 4 1. Then
Okay.
another 8 0 8 1, 8 0 8 1. Then another 16 0 16 1, 16 0 16 1. Continue. If
Okay.
4 A B C D, so last D digit it is 0 1 0 1. C double 0 double 1. B 4 0 4 1. A 8 0 8 1. If this is the 16. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
If 2
0 1 0 1 0 0.
AB. So this is the 0 1 0 1. This is the 0 0 1 1. Clear? This is the finish. Because this is the 4. So 4 times. Okay. If 16, so first digit 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 0 1. Then double 0 double 1 double 0 double 1. Okay, double 0 double 1 double 0 double 1. Then 4 0 4 1 4 0 4 1. Sorry. Oh shit. Sorry. Sorry. So
Problem, sir.
these all are erasing. So AND gate this is the AND circuit. If 2 switch, then this is the 2 switch. Okay, plus minus volt. This is the Y. Okay, this switch A and switch B. So Y is equal to A. Sorry. y is equal to
A plus.
AB. Y is equal to AB. Okay, A dot B or AB. Okay, so switch, double switch A and B or switch. Okay, and y is equal to AB. This is the output. This input and this output. Okay. So this is the 0 1 0 1 and 0 0 1 1 because this is the 4 times. Okay, and this is the AND logic. If two inputs, so two input. This is the A and B, and y is equal to AB. Okay, the AND game. Okay, clear. So
Yes, sir.
AND logic means all. So all input. This line, all input. This switch, all switch high. Then this line is high. Okay. So this line, all this the A1 and B1, both and 1. So this line is 1 and another all are 0. Okay, clear. If 3 input,
Yes.
A, B, C, if 3 input, so y is equal to A, B, C. So 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This if this is the AND gate truth table, so this line all input high, these three are high. So
Only this will become
and all are
0 0.
0.
You mean, sir, when all of the switches in turn is on,
Yes.
that time the output will be on.
Yes. This is the main logic. All switch on, then
The output will be on.
output is on.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the AND gate. And now this is the OR gate. OR gate means any. And this is not series circuit, this is the parallel circuit.
How do we know, sir?
Sorry.
How do we know the gates? For example, or an AND gate is a parallel circuit, right?
Because this is the any input high. Any input means this is the parallel. Parallel logic is any. Okay.
Yes.
Just wait. This suppose this is the A, B, and C switch. Okay, and this is the voltage, and this Y. Okay.
Okay.
So if this is the parallel circuit design. Parallel circuit means this suppose switch A on. So our voltage flow, this line, this our voltage flow. Okay, so this is the current flow. Okay, so current flow this point to this point. Okay, so this Y is on. If B switch on, then also current flow. If switch on, also current flow. If AB on, so current flow. BC on, so any input high, then output high.
Will be high.
Okay. If all are 0
or off, so the output will
all 0, then this is the 0. Okay. So
yes, sir.
Suppose our three input, this is the like this. Okay, this is the AND gate and this OR gate. Wait. This sorry, my bottom board not work. Okay, so this is the AND logic. Okay, and suppose And or logic means all or logical addition. This is the logical multiplication, and this is the logical addition. Y is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, so Y is equal to A plus B plus C. This is the OR logic. So OR logic means any input high. So this line is any one high, C high. So this point is 1. This is the B point high. So this also 1. This is the both 1, BC. So 1. This is the A1. So 1. This is the 2 1 1. This is the 2 1 1. This is the 3 1. This is the 1. These all are 0. So 0. Okay. Or if any input high, so this is the high. Okay.
Yes, sir. This is the reverse of AND gate.
Only for not reverse AND gate. AND gate all these the both all are 1. This all 1 1. So this not reverse AND gate. AND gate and OR gate. These the different. This the any input high and this the all input high. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This and reverse NAND or reverse NOR, not reverse. Okay, clear? And or not reverse. This the all input and this the any input. These both are 0, so this is the 0, and this also 0. This is the same. Okay, reverse not same. This is the same. Okay, this output and this output same.
Yes,
So
yes,
this not reverse. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Others are reverse, but this last and first not reverse. Okay, so this called not reverse. This the any input high and this the all input high. This OR gate. This the any input high. Okay, and this the circuit diagram and logic diagram. This not D. This the OR gate. Okay. If 3, suppose 3, this also 2 or more input and on output only 1, and get 2 or more input, output 1, and get and OR get input and output. This not different. Okay. This is the A and B switch, and Y is equal to A plus B. This is the logical addition, and this is the logical multiplication. Okay, this is the logical multiplication. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir.
And now NOT gate. Not means just negative. Okay, NOT gate means inverse gate, inverter gate or NOT gate. Okay, this is the very simple. Suppose this your circuit, this is the short circuit gate. Okay. This is the Y is equal to A inverse. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This circuit, suppose if your switch not close, A0, so our voltage must be flow. This is the flow line. Just in color, just change. Okay, so this our current flow must be current flow this point. Okay, to this point. Okay, if no need our switch, if A is equal to, suppose your truth table, A input A and Y is equal to A bar. This NOT gate, only NOT gate, this is the only one input and one output. But all all logic gate, another all logic gate, 2 or more input, output only 1, but only different. This is the not gate only 1 input and 1 output. Clear? And this is the not gate symbol, like as tribhuj, and this is the bar. This is the not gate symbol. This is the A and Y is equal to A bar. Clear? Amir?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay, so this is the input and this output. So suppose A is equal to 0 means switch off, but our current must be flow because not barrier. Okay, current flow not barrier. Clear? This is the path, current flow path. Okay, current flow path, right? Amir? So if this is the
Yes, sir.
open no problem. If A0 open, no problem. Our current Y is equal to 1. But if this is the shorted, if this line is short, means A1. If line is short, this is the short path and this is the barrier path. This is the resistive. Okay, so must be your current flow. This is the short path. Okay, so
Yes.
this not work
Yeah.
because this is the short. Okay, our short circuit. If
This
short
one is
circuit,
not most common use. Yes,
if
sir.
short circuit, so current not coming
To
here.
the
This way.
resistive, yes, or load.
If A is equal to 1 means short, so Y is equal to must be 0. Current not flow. This
Load, sir, is the reverse of the input, sir.
yes. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this the not logic. So not logic, A is equal to 1, then output 0. This is the inverse type. This is the 0, so 1. 1 is equal to 0.
0.
Okay. This is very simple. Clear? Now
Yes, sir.
our circuit is NAND. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now NAND gate. So NAND gate means AND plus NOT.
And
Okay, AND plus NOT. So our circuit just this is the AND gate and we are using extra NOT gate. So this your value A B. This is the AB. This point is AB, and now transfer this point. So AB whole bar. Clear?
clear, sir.
So this is the AB bar. And our circuit is just changed this series, but this series is
The load
shorted series.
parallel, sir.
This series, but this series is shortest series.
Switch is parallel to the load.
Suppose 3 input, so this 3. So this is the A, B, and C. Y is equal to
Switch.
yes. This 3 switch, or if you use 2 switch, no problem. If you get 2 input, so 2 switch. 3 input, so 3 switch. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to A, B, C bar. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this is the symbol, this is the 2, so your symbol, this is the final symbol is just using only this. Okay, this A, B, and C. So Y is equal to A, B, C bar. So this is the NAND gate. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
this logic just reverse of and means all. So all input high, output high. Our NAND gate, all input high, output high. Now our NAND gate, all input high, output low. All input high, output low. Only this portion, this is the high, so this portion is low, and all are one. Okay, this is the reverse of AND. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This called NAND.
And
NAND
Okay,
gate.
this is called NAND. Okay, Y is equal to A, B, C bar. Okay, so this is the point. All input high. Our answer: all input high, output low.
output low. Yes.
Output low. Our AND gate: all input high, output high.
Yes.
AND gate: all input high, output high. And NAND gate: all input high, output low.
Yes.
Just difference these 2 points.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
AND gate: all input high, output high. And NAND gate, just noted this only single line. AND gate: all input high, output high. And NAND gate: all input high, output low. Clear? Suppose this is the logic.
Sir.
If all are shorted, then this is the short. Okay, so then output is low. This all are shorted, all are high, then this portion is low. Clear?
Yes, sir.
But anyone open means our current flow line this point. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
But if all are shorted, then this is the short circuit. So if short circuit, then this is the zero. So all high, so this is the zero. But another all are one. Clear? So this called NAND gate.
And gate.
And now NOR gate. NOR. So this is the OR plus
Sir,
NOT. This is the OR gate, and we are using another NOT. Okay, so this is the A plus B bar. Okay, clear? And now this the symbol is this. AB. Y is equal to A plus B bar. So this is the NOR gate. Clear? And NOR, this is the reverse of OR gate. This circuit just short path. We are using this is the short path. This. Y. And this A, B, and C.
that means we need a parallel switches.
Need parallel switch, but short path.
Oh, okay.
This is the short line. If anyone high means anyone high, then short. Anyone high, then short. If short, so this is the zero. All are open, then this is the one. So our logic, this OR gate, any input high, output high. Any input high, output high. So NOR gate, any input high, output low. Any high, then this is the low. Any high, this is the low. Okay. Any high, all are low. Okay. Any high, low. Only all are zero, then not short. Okay. Then that means all are 0, then is 1. Okay, clear? This is the
Yes, sir.
reverse of OR gate. Okay, reverse of OR gate. This is the OR gate, and these are NOR gate. Clear? All are clear? So our point, our point, any input high, output high. This is the OR gate. And NOR gate, any input high, output low. Clear? Any input high, output low. Clear? So our 4 point. Amir, AND gate logic, all input high, output high. Okay? And NAND gate, all input high, output low. Okay? OR gate. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone just response. OR gate, any input high,
No problem, sir.
output high.
Yes.
And NOR gate, any input high, output low.
You.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
This the 4 and another, this the NOT gate, this is the reverse. This is the 5. Clear? So our 5 logic
Yes,
gate
sir.
clear.
Yes, sir.
And now our last 2. This is the exclusive OR and exclusive NOR. Okay?
Okay, sir.
XOR or exclusive OR. Exclusive OR, this is the exclusive, just double or symbol, or this line is double. Okay? First line is double, this called exclusive. Normal chair course and exclusive chair course. This is the special chair. Okay, special coach. Okay, so exclusive means special. So this is the exclusive OR gate. This also 2 or more input, output only 1. But this logic, we are using 2 magnetic stick. Okay, this is the circuit. This is the one stick, and another, this another stick. Okay, sorry. Just this one stick, and suppose this another stick. Any, if so, okay, this is stick A and this is stick B, suppose. Okay, so this is the logic. If this or doing both stick, and this the exclusive means this is the A exclusive, this is the plus OR and round, this is the exclusive OR. Okay, this is the exclusive OR, exclusive B. Okay,
Okay, sir.
clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And this, suppose A and B, this is the truth table, A, B, and Y is equal to A exclusive B. 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. So suppose both are 0, so not connect this point, so this is the 0. So now B on means B, this switch, this stick just state. If this is stick state this, then this point, and this point is shorted, this stick.
Correct,
Okay,
sir.
just state B stick state, then must be connect this point and this point,
Yes, follow.
like is this. Okay, this point is
Yes.
the B stick. So B stick is short. Okay, this B stick is now short. So B stick short means our line is short. So this is the one, and another. Now B stick open, A stick short. A stick is short. Okay, so also open, a also short. So this is the current
One.
flow. But A and B both stick is short. This not possible. This A
Yes,
stick
yes.
and B stick short not possible because this
The
stick
cross
both
are.
are cross and this is the magnet.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the our attraction, not attraction. Okay, this is the detection. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is the pole, this is the north pole and north pole. So our magnet not connect. Okay, disconnect point. Okay, so this is the gap. If south and south, so gap. If north and south, then this is the short. Okay, both line is one, but this not possible. This stick both are same. Okay, so north stick and this is the also north stick. So this is the A point and this is the B stick. So this is the gap. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is not possible. This is the
Become off or zero.
if suppose third number is stick C, so this the north south not both are gap, but C is short. Okay, if suppose A B C three input, okay, A B and C, suppose three input, so Y is equal to A exclusive, B exclusive,
C.
okay, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0
0 1
1
1
1
4
0 0 0 0
4 1.
1 1 1 1. Okay, this the all are 0, so this the
Zero.
0, this any one short, so short high, this the B short, so
So
high.
one.
This logic is odd number input high. Okay, odd number input high, output high. Okay, output high. Clear? Odd number. So this is the one. So one means odd number high, so output high. This is the odd number high. This is the even. So even means this is the not
Zero.
not. Okay, so this is the 0. This is the odd number 1. So 1. This is the also even.
Zero.
This is the even. So even this is the 0. This is the even. Oh, sorry. This is the this point. Okay, this 1 1 1 1 0. So this is the even. So this is the
Bravo, غلط
1
عليك. It's
2
not like
3
that,
4
sir.
5 6 7 8. Oh, this not this is the no need. So this 1 1 0. This is the even. So this is the 0. And now this 3. This 3 1 1 1. This is the odd number. So this is the high.
One. Yes.
So our logic, even number, any odd number input high, output high. Means odd circuit, this is the if 3 number, so 3 number is short. This C. Okay. Clear? So this is the
Sir.
exclusive logic, odd number input, any odd number input high. Okay. Amir? Any problem? Any problem?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So this is the exclusive OR. So now exclusive NOR. So exclusive XNOR. XNOR means OR plus just use NOT gate. Okay. So this like okay. Yeah. So this means A, B, this is the A exclusive B, but this is the A exclusive B bar. Okay, this is the A B and this is the Y is equal to A exclusive B bar. This is the exclusive node. This is the exclusive one and this is the exclusive node. Exclusive node just reverse. Odd number input high, output low. Okay, clear? So this odd number high, output low. This odd number high, output low, and another is 1. Clear? This is the
Yes.
this is the odd number. This is the odd number. So high, so now low. This is the odd number high, so now low. This is the even number, so this is the 1. This is the even numbers. This is the odd number. This is the odd number. So this is the
You mean, sir, the reverse of XOR?
yes. This is the even. So this is the high. Even high. This is the odd number. This is the low. So this is the odd number input high, output now low. Okay. Clear? So this is the
Yes, sir.
A exclusive B exclusive C bar. Okay, so this is the exclusive NOR gate. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
this is the total 7 logic gate. This is our basic of AND gate. Sorry, or this basic of our digital circuit, digital gate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So this is the very important. So must be. So these all are NOT gate. NOT gate is the inverse AND gate. This is the dotted or multi. We are already declared multiplying, and this is the logical sign plus. Okay, and this is the logical sign dotted. Yeah, this is the NOT gate. This is the NOT gate truth table. Okay, output is reverse. Okay, just this is the NOT gate. Okay, truth table. This is the AND gate. This is the AND gate.
You so sir grade other new.
So AND gate all input high. This is the all input high. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and this is the AND gate series circuit. Okay, this is the series circuit. This means this is the one switch. This is the switch 1. This is the switch 2. This is the AB or A, and this is the B, and this is the common. This is the ground. Okay, this is the battery. So this both switch is open and gate. Both are high. This is the high. Okay. All are high. This is the high. This is the AND gate switch. Just okay. So this is the OR gate. Already finished. Okay. This is the parallel.
No problem, sir.
This is the parallel circuit. Okay.
Amiru.
Kala so gal other new magal.
Okay. So this is the exclusive OR. Odd number input high. Odd number input high. This is the high. Okay. This is the odd number high, then low. Okay. So this is the exclusive NOR. So this your, and this is the IC diagram we are discuss our next class. Okay.
Inshallah, sir. Inshallah.
Okay. So today our class is this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Nice.
Go balka so dir daniyo sahab ni kan.
السلايد كان حتى أصدق. بس عنده كرسي.
قلت له كان هذا هور كيف صدرنا والله.
ما عليك ولا وليدي بس واحد صدر لا
maxaa la wareeriyaa adeerniyo baashoog jasi waa adagtaan maanta in lagu celceliyo waxa adi waxbaa ku dhiman
صح ولا صح ولا
Okay, I'll provide your messenger group. Your messenger group.
نيجي سر
This is your previous day. Okay.
yes
دقيقة سر
And today I'll first finish.
سر send slide
Okay, also I will send slide. So just wait, roll call. Okay.
okay sir hal cashir lama qaadan maxaa sanaa
All are silent at first. Collect your this section. All are silent. Okay. This one, 30, 29, 7, 79, 50, 3, 5, 6, 50. Okay. HP, who? HP,
Yes, sir.
your roll and badge.
Sir, budget for 14.
14.
No,
Then,
sir. Yeah, that's it.
wait. Idris, your
yes
roll
sir
number? Your roll number?
16 D29 sir
29, 16.
yes sir
Hassan,
Yes, sir.
your roll number and badge.
By 49 rule for.
Total 14 persons are present here. Now, already attendance chat box roll 3, 29 already. 29 roll 3. Okay. 30 badge roll 9. Okay. 29 badge roll 8 done. 29 badge roll 16 done. 30 badge roll 14 done. 30 badge roll 4 done. 30 badge roll 3 done. 29 badge roll 7 done. 29 badge roll 4 done. 1 done. 30 badge roll 5 done. 30 badge roll 2. 30 badge roll 2. Only 2 persons. 29 badge roll 3 and 30 badge roll 2 live here. Okay. Okay. So today our class finish. Okay.
सर 22 rule 4
Sorry.
22 rule 4
I already finished. Best 30 roll 4. No problem.
29 rule 11, sir.
29 roll 11. No problem. All are okay.
Okay, sir.